another thing with mirroring, you can take.
I mean, I didn't expect to be competing in a design the first day. We learned so much already, just like the day and a half we've been here. It feels awesome. I mean, like I had no idea how to create an object through through the program, print it, and then see it today, and then how it actually functions. So I think that could definitely revolutionize some units around the Marine Corps.
Each part, you have high detail, you have standard, you have high speed. High detail.
So we had to make a mount for a flashlight to mount on the bottom of a quadcopter, and then it had to fit certain criteria. It had to be lightweight, had to be sturdy and snug to be able to carry this flashlight, obviously because they're battery powered, so you want something light, low drag with to be able to carry it a long distance.
I really love the scanning capability because sometimes it takes all the thinking that have to be put into the software. The scanner capability gives you a 90% answer. You can go back into it and retouch those parts that the scanner didn't do a thorough job, but it gave you about 90% of the answer of what you needed at the end of the day.
So 3D printing has no limitations. The limitations are based on the individual Marine. And what this course drives is that thinking outside the box is a healthy thing to do. That's the intent behind this course. And it's not cookie cutter to just one specific object. That if it provides a solution to any other problem that's affecting the unit, that it can be employed in that manner. So it can vary from maintenance parts to SO3 gear, SIF items that need to be utilized out in the deployed environment until they get back. But it's responsive enough to get the job done.
So if we go over a model, you right click,